Friday, August 31st. We saw quite a significant line of thunderstorms move south to north across the Delmarva last night after midnight, and that did bring some rain and quite a bit of lightning to the area. And we do anticipate that to be the biggest rain event really of the weekend, with just very slight chances of isolated pop-up storms today through Monday. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see a significant afternoon warm-up here at Wallops, shattering our old record for August 30th of 94, as it became 99 degrees yesterday. That temperature is a little bit suspect compared to the other temperatures around the area, but it was still very hot yesterday with a heat index values exceeding 110 degrees. That was the last day of our heat wave, so we do anticipate much more seasonable temperatures, at least for the next several days here. Other locations across the region did see temperatures in the mid-90s, with lows this morning fairly mild across the area, running from the mid to low 70s. With our heat wave the last week here at Wallops, this has put us over the edge for being the warmest August on record. So a very hot month that we've had the past month here. We do anticipate those temperatures, like I had said, to return back to normal, at least for the next several days. We did see that rainfall last night across the region. Many locations receiving about a third of an inch. Here at Wallops, we saw a little less than a quarter. Up Langley Air Force saw the most at 3/4 of an inch, and Salisbury saw exactly 1/3 of an inch of rain overnight. We are seeing temperatures this morning a little bit cooler than we have been seeing, with temperatures running in the upper 70s to near 80 for most locations. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing more of an onshore flow due to that stalled front in the area from the surface to about 3,000 feet. Winds are pretty light and variable as well, and then above 3,000 feet, seeing those winds more zonal to a west-southwesterly, running about 10 to 20 knots up from 6 to 16,000 feet, and then running around 20 to 25 knots from the 16,000 foot level to the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level much lower this morning at just above 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, still seeing some lingering shower activity across extreme northern portions of the Delmarva. All that other stuff is just radar clutter. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there, as well as we do have the stationary front draped across the area. You can see the temperature gradient associated with that, with temperatures in the low 70s to the north and pushing low 80s down to our south. And we are going to be continuing to see mostly cloudy conditions, similar to what we're seeing right now throughout the day today. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that stationary front draped across central portion of the Delmarva, which we have been forecasting all week to occur. That is going to be the focus for some additional pop-up showers and thunderstorms as we go into this afternoon. It does look like the bulk of the shower and thunderstorm activity is going to remain across the northern half of the Delmarva. Only going to see very slight chances of seeing any shower or storm development down here. So we're looking at likelihood of a dry day today across the region, only seeing the best chances of storms in extreme northern portions of the area. As we go into our forecast charts here, going to continue to see that stationary boundary across the area throughout much of the weekend. It is going to be slowly weakening, so we're going to have the best chances for showers and storms this weekend, and then we'll be fizzling out as we go towards the start of next week. See that stationary boundary going to stay through the area. Going to be seeing some storms across the region. Possibly tonight, going to be seeing the best chance for any isolated shower activity, mainly before the midnight hour. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, going to be dry tomorrow morning with that front lingering in the area. And then for tomorrow afternoon, still going to be seeing that stationary front. It's going to be pretty weak at this point. However, could be still seeing a chance of a pop-up shower or storm in the area for tomorrow afternoon. And by Sunday, that front's really going to be washed out as we have high pressure once again building offshore. Still going to be just looking at some more seasonable temperatures. However, we are going to be seeing some light winds across the area with still some increased humidity. So still can't rule out isolated shower or thunderstorm chances, mainly in the afternoon with any sea breeze development. Taking a look at our forecast chart here for today. Going to be seeing just a very slight chance of a pop-up shower in the afternoon hours. Like I said, most of the rain chances are going to remain across the northern half of the Delmarva. Our high today is going to be much cooler than we have been seeing the past several days, with a high of 85. Still going to be looking a little bit muggy out there. Winds are going to be increasing from the east around 5 to 10 knots this afternoon, maxing out near 8 to 13 knots late this afternoon to early this evening, and then becoming easterly and fairly light into the overnight hours. Our best chances of seeing any shower and thunderstorm activity is going to be between about 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we'll be seeing things dry out a bit tomorrow morning with slight chances of pop-up showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Going to be seeing a mild low of 74 tomorrow. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be looking at pretty much similar conditions that we're seeing right now. Mainly going to be seeing some decks in the mid-levels between about 8,000 and 15,000 feet, as well as the continuous cirrus deck, with some lower-level cumulus clouds popping up here and there between 3,000 and 5,000 feet. Ceilings are going to lower down to around 3,000 feet this evening in any thunderstorms, possibly as low as 1,500 feet in the heavier storms and showers. As we go into the overnight hour and get that persistent onshore flow with the lighter winds, we will be seeing some lower level clouds possibly develop, with ceilings potentially lowering down between 500 and 1,000 feet, especially if we get into any shower or thunderstorm activity. Then as we go into tomorrow morning, we're going to be seeing scattered decks near 1,500 feet, 8,000 feet, and a broken deck near 18,000 feet, with tides slightly above normal across the region. For your Saturday, going to be looking at a seasonable high of 85 with mostly cloudy skies. Going to still be having that slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, mainly during the afternoon. Saturday night, still could be seeing a very slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, as that stationary front will be lingering with a low of 74. And then Sunday, going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. That stationary front will really have been washed out by then, but with light winds and still increased humidity, can't rule out some isolated pop-up showers and storms in the afternoon, with any sea breeze convergence or any potentially upper-level energy lingering across the area. That'll do it for your daily Wallops weather briefing. We'll be back at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.